I would like to ask about the nature of enlightenment and the experience possible once our mind is cleared enough to have moved the clouds, once we've become still enough as we move upward or outward into unity consciousness. I would like to ask you, can you describe some mile markers on that journey?
A clouded mind, supposing you are born into a Hindu society, your mind is clouded by Hindu concepts. If you are born into a Christian family, your mind is clouded by Christian concepts. So, whether it is Hindu clouds or Islamic clouds or some other Buddhist clouds or some other Christian clouds, we want a cloud-free mind. That is meditation. So, the mirror is there, but the mirror is full of dust. So, we have to clean the mirror to be able to see ourselves. So, when we clean our mind and we dust it out, we make it a dust-free mind, cloud-free mind, then we see ourselves. What happens, we come out of the body and we see, that body is there, I am here. And who is this I, who is separate from body? So that's how, in real experience terms, the journey begins towards enlightenment.